Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of glowing skin with a double feature. So we're going to use and talk about Gua Sha and facial massage with your hands. So first up, we're going to talk about the Gua Sha tool. So this flat stone has now become a cult favorite with skincare, and for good reason. Let me tell you why. Number one, it helps to boost circulation. So scraping the Gua Sha tool gently across your face helps to improve blood flow, which means it gives your skin more nutrients and oxygen that it requires. Another benefit is that it helps to reduce puffiness. So it actually encourages lymphatic drainage, which helps to flush out the toxins and reduce puffiness. And lastly, or not even the least, is that it helps better with product absorption. So using a Gua Sha after using your serums or moisturizers helps to make the product penetrate better into your skin. So now you know why it's a favorite. And now, before we get scraping with the Gua Sha, let's talk prep. Number one, what you want to do is cleanse your face. So make sure you have a clean face that is free of makeup. And the second thing that you want to make sure is that your skin is well lubricated. So remember to use an oil, a facial oil, or a moisturizer that has a good slip. So this will help not tug on your skin while using the Gua Sha. So here's the basic Gua Sha technique. You want to start at your neck. Use upward strokes towards your jawline to promote drainage. Another step that you can do is for your jawline. Glide the tool along your jawline, following the bone outward towards your ear. Cheeks. Work outwards from your nose towards your temples with a gentle sweeping motion. And now we're talking about the brow bone. Glide the brow bone from the inner corner of your eyebrow outwards. And lastly, for your forehead, you want to use upward strokes from your eyebrows towards your hairline. And remember, be gentle. You should feel a slight pressure but not pain. There are many Gua Sha tutorials online, so find one that suits your needs. Now let's ditch the tool, or if you don't have it all together, and focus on the power of your hands. Using your hands for a facial massage can be great because number one, it helps to boost circulation. So just like the Gua Sha tool, using your hands for a facial massage can improve blood flow for glowing skin. Number two, it helps to relax facial muscles. This in turn will help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And last but not the least, it helps to de-stress. So spending some time massaging your face with your hands is a great way to elevate your mood and is extremely relaxing. And now there's a simple hand massage routine. Number one, what you want to do is warm up. Rub your palms together to create some warmth. Number two, gently massage your neck with upward strokes towards your jawline. Number three is for your jawline. You want to use your knuckles to make circular motions and small motions along your jawline. Number four is for your cheeks. You want to pinch your cheeks gently and lift upwards towards your temples. And make sure to repeat this several times. Number five, brows. You want to use your fingertips to make small circular motions along your brow bone. Number six is for your forehead. You want to place your palms flat on your forehead and gently smooth upwards towards your hairline. And now for the eyes, which are super important, remember to be very gentle. Use your ring fingers to make light tapping motions around your eye socket. Remember to repeat each motion 5 to 10 times, and remember, be gentle and focus on relaxation. So now you know that the Gua Sha and hand massage can be great tools for elevating your skincare game. Just remember, they're so easy to incorporate, they're relaxing, and they can help your skin look more radiant. So tips to remember are, number one, be consistent. If you want to see best results, there's no other choice but to try and do this routine 2 or 3 times a week. Number two, listen to your skin. If you have any irritation, stop doing this routine. And number three, which is so important, is remember to wash your Gua Sha tool. So wash it with soap and water after each use. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite facial massage technique is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.